Biak Malka Noor Online TV channel to kon ka breaking news Shade Bit Yaw Yaw Jaja Kwany ala Deputy Minister of Information Communication and Technology and Postal Services Ray which ka so Sudan jan nan balinga jan gwaseme Mukuji David Yaw Yaw jan Ewud Jaba ke morale bana gwich ka dobo dana kwany gaja ka ngum jek ko shaade kwany la Deputy Minister ka Information Communication Technology and Postal Service ka ngu mugwa ko de ja kwanya ka ngu kwany gaja kin ma yadi da bu kono me bana je linkel wudo me jen David Yaw Yaw muguji me David Yaw Yaw ngai ka je ka kwe kor ngai ka je ka kwe kor bu konchu wagwa kamana lat kono gwasame shala den wonene David Yaw Yaw shaje kwany akwar nikirma yadit ala kwar rawda ki Deputy Minister of Information Communication Technology and Postal Service ray wika South Sudan shikirma yadit she David Yaw Yaw che kwany alo jaram danen biya kwar rawda ki Minister of Information Communication Technology and Postal Service ray wika South Sudan gwada me ka ngeja okay man gweja jen sharonko de jalat ka jen position mo ko jen aran kur name technology name ni information communication technology and postal service gwi na baro long ke baro lut ka ja gwada chaja kwantena don ngich kir ma yadi ngaje lode name bat kani jen wuda me kirma yadit ke yaw kwa bat kani jere kuma ka misha je kwanya lo ci jinde ran via ran information ke kwar information communication technology and postal service ci jiana ngwaza mo modere commandere to balawo jinde lo ci jian deika kanga kani je o jen edich mudong de ten jen gwa deika gi de mo position dire konen ten yam ci jen position me de kamama position me ala information technology ki Minister of Information Technology and Postal Service gore ne tingwani tingod ka kwa lonko ngai kani konen gor ka technology bade jaram nan cha kwa la Minister of Information so janana gore no de nyaka yakel charam men dan la kwar na won chaja wuch ene biya mudo biya jale ne ling gwad me ba kwen ke English ko dong muteram de jangadi mdan le road President Kir Mayadit has appointed David Yaw Yaw as Deputy Minister of Information, Communication Technology and Postal Service. That is it.